afternoon. It's a beautiful day in Uwari. Had to go help my wife with some party stuff earlier. I'll show you a picture of that, maybe some video. But anyway, I am out here because I purchased this. This is a rain fly to go over the tent right there. So I'm hoping that this is going to help keep the mold and mildew away from the tent. I'm gonna waterproof this too, but once I put it up there, I'm gonna waterproof it. And then I've got some mold and mildew deterrent, like to keep the mold and mildew away. And I'm gonna put that on the inside of the tent, all on the inside of the tent. It's like a marine mildew repellent. See if that works. And then yeah, waterproof other parts of the tent, and hopefully we'll keep this mildew issue at bay. But yeah, look at this. Look, it's beautiful. It's a little overcast, but only partly. Sun's shining in places. Let's see what we can get done. Well, I got it up, see? The rain fly is on there. It's not exactly perfect. This rain fly that I bought is it's a different brand than the tent that I had already. And so it doesn't have as many sides as my bell tent. So I had to rig up some wiring or stringing, or what are they called? Tie downs, to get this thing on here. But it's on and it fits okay. But I'm gonna have to come back and I'm gonna have to build a stanchion here, a stanchion there, to try to get this thing up a little bit higher, because right now it's kind of resting on the tent. Not really, but it is. And I need it up off of the tent so there's a gap in between the top of the tent and the rain fly. But for right now, it'll work. It'll keep the rain off. Now I'm gonna spray the mildew repellent, and then calling it a day. Okay, so I'm done. I got the rain fly on, as you can see right there, and I sprayed this waterproofing, Starbright. It's marine grade waterproofing all around the walls and the door to the tent, because when I waterproofed this at the house, I only did the top. So this time I did the walls all the way around, and then I sprayed the whole inside of the I guess roof walls. I sprayed all the walls with this 3M mildew block, and so I'm hoping that will keep the mildew away from inside the tent. I did not spray the outside of the tent. I've had a long day. I've been up since like 6 o'clock. It's 5 o'clock right now. I was up till like midnight helping my wife with her party stuff, so I didn't get much sleep, and I'm ready to go home. So I'm gonna leave it at that and let you see that beautiful sunset behind me, and you can see how it shines on the outhouse and the tent now that has a rain fly on top of it. The rain fly is a little bit different color. It's a little bit different material. It's like a polyester vinyl blend. It's like naturally waterproof. I just got to get some new stanchions up here so that I can have it lifted up off of the tent here. So you can see the reservoir there, and the sun there. My neighbor has his sawmill going. He's cutting some logs. But yeah, it's beautiful up here. Like, it's, look at the golden rays just shining on the tent and the outhouse and the trees back there. It's just, it's very peaceful. I enjoy coming out here, and I hope everybody that does come out here enjoys it as well. I had some people come from Wilmington the other week. Had some people from Virginia. I've had some people from South Carolina, from Charleston. So, you know, all over the East Coast. Had some friends call me, wanted to book some stays in March, but they're already booked. But, you know, next time, you got to book ahead. Because there's a reservoir. The bookings, they fill up pretty quick. I'm assuming they're going to fill up even quicker now that the weather is getting more temperate. And it's not as cold and it's not as wet. But we'll see. Hopefully everybody comes out here for the summer and has a good time. And hopefully this fix to this tent works. You can see where the waterproof spray, it was spraying, but it still sprayed straight too. It hasn't dried yet, but it's all on there all the way around. You can see the rain fly on there. It's not exactly even, right? You know, like I said, this rain fly is designed differently than my tent is. I could not find the brand of tent with the rain fly that was affordable. This rain fly, by the way, was like $200 and something. So I spent $200 something from keeping my $600 something tent from molding and mildewing, and now I'm we'll see how it goes. We'll see. I'm hoping this works. But thanks for watching. Hope you subscribe. Click the notification bell. Hit the like. And we'll see you next time.